this end of the hallway. Oh, this end of the hallway. My bad. Right? Yes. So that becomes 9,500. So negative 9,500. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So instead of negative 35, we go 95. Right? Copy. Paste. Are you kidding me? It didn't even copy the negative sign. Copy. Paste. Two, 3, 4, 5. Believe it or not, negative becomes a positive. So negative 6, 7. Paste. And 8. Paste. And 9. This is the last one. Let me show you. So if you forget the negative and you hit enter, it's going to become a positive. See, became a positive number, which we don't want. We want this to be a negative 9,500. Okay, that's enough of that. Alright, so now that is done. Oh my gosh, it restarted. Again, hello, welcome back. I'm sorry for my internet. Do. Don't know if it's working or not, but welcome back. Sorry for my internet. Okay, so let me go back. So we got all of these from negative 4,000 to negative 9,500, and these numbers should be the same. The x should be the same. Should be, but we'll see. Because I remember I didn't place them correctly. Some of them, anyways. Alright, but now for the very northern region, those numbers become different. So let me see. It becomes negative 10,000. Okay. It becomes negative 10,000. Copy. Paste. Paste. Come on. Paste. Paste and paste and the last one down here somewhere. Paste here. Paste here and paste here. Okay. So now, let me go back up and start from the top again. 4,000. So for the exits, they need to be Let me just jump to the back here. I think it's going to be negative 1800. 1800. Yes. Okay. All right. So this is where we want this one. So negative 18,000. So I'm starting up here. All right. Copy. 18,000. Paste here. Paste here. Paste here on the Y. Paste the Y. Paste on the Y. And then last but not least, we got these. Paste on the Y. Paste on the Y. And very last but not least, paste on the Y. Okay, so that should be done completely. Just for the placements of the rooms and the blocking walls. But now we need to randomize it. Oops. Right. Let's go ahead and let's delete it for now. Actually, don't delete it. We'll just move it to the side here. Let's rebuild. Alright, so let's see. What do we get when we test? Whoops, it didn't place the rooms. Anyways, let's look at the interesting. Interesting. At least this one should have blocked something. Huh. Okay, that one blocked that one. That one blocked that one, and that one blocked that one. That one blocked that one, okay. So, somewhere down here is not working properly. This one is unblocked. This one blocks that one. This one should be blocked. Yeah, okay. It's right. So let's see this one. Whoa. Oh. They're all placed on the same level. So, gosh darn it, where do I? The place of, let me see, the placement of these 1000s, that means these are 1000s. That means these ones have to be 5500, negative 5500. Copy. Paste. Paste. Oh, no. All right. Now we paste here. Paste here. And paste here. Okay. Up here we paste here. Down here we paste here. And we paste here. Let's start all over again. Alright, and then we go back up over here and we paste here. We paste here. And we paste here. But for the last one, I don't know. Where do we paste it? Oh, I know. I look in here. So we got 1,000, negative 5,500, and the last one is at negative 1,300. Whoops. Copy. Alright, so for all of these down here, this will be negative 1,300. Paste. 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 Then back up here. Paste. Paste. And paste. And then back up here. Paste. Paste. And paste. Alright, so now let's see. If I got this right. I know the lanes are wrong. Some of the lanes are wrong anyways, but let's see what we got so far. Right, we get rid of this. Rebuild everything. Alright, so okay, we start off. I think this is the south. Let's see. Alright, it picked that room, so it blocked this side off. So it blocked this since there's no path to anything here. So that's correct, it blocked that. And it left this one open. And does it? Okay, it blocked that one off. And since this room was picked, it left that one open. And it blocked that one off. Oh, this is incorrect. It's supposed to block this one. But it picked the last room here. It picked this one. And it didn't block this. Good. And it blocked this one off. Yeah. Alright, so that's for the starboard side. This one here is the one that's incorrect. It's supposed to block that. So after the room should block whatever this is right here. Okay, let me stop. That one is, it's the okay, it's the starboard side, yes. And it's this I know, but that was the northern region. I want the starboard side on the middle section right here. Starboard side. It was the mess hall. I got the numbers wrong here. Let me see. So negative 95, 2500. Negative 9500. 2500. It's this one. It should be, I think, 2000. Yeah, that's what it needs to block. So I got that wrong. So this should be 2000. All right. Okay. All right. So that was for southern section. No, not the southern section. It was for the starboard section. Starboard. All right. Compile. And let's go ahead and test it now. Whoops. And get rid of this. Okay, that's good right there. All right, let me start back down here. All right. So that room was picked. That means that one was blocked. And this one was blocked. This one was picked, so that means this one was blocked. Okay. This one was picked, so the rec room was picked, so that means this one is blocked somewhere. Right there is blocked. Okay. Alright. That's good now. Let me go down to the middle section. So those two lanes, so it's these two lanes right here. Since this room was picked, it left this one open and blocked this one. Right, so let's see. Oh, there's a card down here. Nice. Okay. That means this should be blocked, yes. Alright, what was this? Okay, this one was picked. That means this one should be... Hey. I did it again. I'm not blocking the correct. Gosh darn it. Gosh darn it. What is this? What is this? This should be negative 1000. Negative 1000. That was the, again, it was the mess hall. So it should be negative 1000. That is blocked. Mess hall. It is the middle section. Mess hall. Middle section. Mess hall. Okay, here's the one that needs to be negative 9500. and it's the middle section. Okay, I'm in the middle section, and it's the mess hall. Up here. So this needs to be a negative 1,000, not 500. So let me stop that actually. So this is supposed to be negative 1,000. We save that. It's cold. I'll be right back. I have to turn on my heater. So, alright, so negative 1,000. Okay, save. Alright, let's go back to the beginning. So I want to pay attention to these two lanes. Alright. Will this one get blocked or this one? Depends on which room is picked. So if this one is picked, that one will be blocked. But if the room on this side will be picked, then this wall will be blocked. So let's see what happens. Alright, so that room was picked. That means it left this one open and blocked that one. Correct? It's now C. Okay, we got the, oh, the monster. So this one should be blocked, and it is. Alright, it's blocked, and it left this one open, so we can come out of here. Nice. Okay, so this room is picked, so that means this one is blocked. Else we go into the abyss. Alright, so this one was picked. It means that room should be blocked, yes. Okay, nice, this is blocked. Perfect. And this one was picked, that means that one is blocked. Or is it this one? I can't remember. Oh yeah, it's this one. So if this one was picked, this one is blocked. Correct. So we go into the rec room. That means if this was picked, this one should be blocked. There we go. That's correct. Okay. Alright, now let me look all the way down on the other side and on the port side. Oh my gosh, this monster. So between, oh my gosh, the monster. Alright, so since it picked the kitchen and rec room, it blocks this hallway correctly. So it picked the rec room, so now we can go in. That means it should block off. Yeah, it blocked this. If it picks this, should block off. Hey, my goodness, what is going on? These things are not getting blocked. Alright, so... Gosh darn it, what is going on? Did I not do this? Negative. $3,500. It should be blocking negative 3,500. If it picks this mess hall in the middle section at the end, it should pick 3,500. Mess hall in the middle section. Mess hall. It's this one in the middle section. So 9,500 should be, oh, it's got some weird numbers. This is not making any sense. I guess I'm looking at the wrong one. Here we go. Okay, it should be 3,500, not 3,000. So stop this. Put it down. Okay, that is interesting. Okay, so we got that. Where is it? Oh, okay. Put it all the way off to the side again. Let me try it again. Block that one off. There's a card here. Block that one off. I'm gonna have to fix this code. Shoot. Darn it. This should be shifted over to the right so that we can run through it. But anyways, regardless of that mix-up, this one should be blocked off right here. Yes, it's blocked. Good. Okay. All right. Okay. We got that. All right. And this one was picked, the rec room, which means this one should be blocked off. Correct. Okay. So this here needs to be moved over to the right. The floors and the walls. I need to do that in the bum bum bum. I need to do that in the same with this one. Oh my goodness, this one also needs to be shifted to the right. And this one right here too, what's going on? All of them need to be shifted to the right. Damn. All right. Shoot. So this here hallway should be shifted to the right so that it can accommodate this here. And this one here should be shifted to the right. Let me see something. What is... Okay, so that's at negative 9,500 and 4,000. What? Oh, 4,000. Boom, boom, boom. Let me see if I get rid of this. And move this to negative 2,000. Okay, so, and I select it. For some reason, I cannot move it. I know I'm in the middle of playtesting, but let me see. Okay. So that means negative 100 needs to shift over negative 1,000, and negative 1,000 needs to shift over to 500. Correct. So that we can have this. Dun, dun, dun. right there. Instead of over here, it should be right over here. Alright, so the numbers are negative 500 and negative 1,000. Negative 500 and negative 9,000. Negative 500, negative 9,000. I gotta look for negative 1,000 and negative 9,000, 8,000, negative 8,000 to negative 9,000. Negative 8,000 to negative 9,000. Alright, with a 0, 0, 0. Okay, so negative 500, negative 8. So I'm looking for negative 1,000 and a negative 8,000. Negative 1,000 so that I can change it to negative 500. So negative 1,000 and a negative 8,000. So we stop this. Negative 1,000. Negative 1,000. Go back to my data. Look for walls. Stack 0. I'm looking for negative 8,000. And I'm looking for negative 1,000. This needs to become negative 500. And this needs to become negative 1,000. And then this one needs to become negative 3,000. And then this one needs to become negative 3,500. Say that. Okay. Do. Now I'm looking for 85, negative 8,500. This becomes negative 3,500. This becomes negative 3,000. This becomes negative 1,000. This becomes negative 500. Save that. And that's it for that. Alright. Now I look for negative 9,000. This negative 4,000 becomes negative 3,500. This one becomes negative 3,000. This becomes negative 1,000. And this becomes negative 500. Save. That's it for that for now. Alright, what else? Now I have to compile that into the blueprint. Okay. Now I should see the difference. There you go. The walls are here now. They moved over. And they're not here. So now I need to move the floors. I don't need to move the ceilings because the ceilings are using the same locations as the floors. So this wall was moved over here, and the wall that was here is now moved over there. So I need to move the floors over. And that is floor deck 0. This one up here. So I need to look for, to tell the truth, I don't know what to look for here. I'm just going to guess. which one of these? Which one of these is it? Oh, it's this one here. This needs to become negative 3,000. And this needs to become negative 500. Is that correct? Let's see. I got compile it before I do the rest of the floors. There's 4 more floors I need to change. Okay, so yeah, that's correct. So I move the one, now I need to change this 2, and I need to change these 2. So they're still sitting here. And then I need to add a wall here. Right? Not add a wall, but I need to move this wall over here. And I need to move this wall over here. But let me move these. So if this was 8,500, this is 9,000 and 9,500. So that needs to be 9,000. This 3,500 becomes 3,000. And this 1,000 becomes 500. Now, save that. Need 9,500. 3,500 becomes 3,000. And negative 1,000 becomes 500. Okay, so I'm done with those, and now I close the walls. Let me get the walls back. I need to find 0. No. They're negative 90s. Let me do it this way. Let me grab this wall. Put it over to negative 20. So, if this is negative 1,000, this was negative 500. So I need to look for negative 500. Negative 500 at negative 9,500 and move it to 1,000. Negative 1,000. Negative 9,500. I need the ones with 90. So one of these down here. The one that says negative 500 needs to move to negative 1,000. And then the other one is this here. I think that's a negative 30. Yeah, I need to move the negative 30 to negative 3,500. This one right here needs to be moved to negative 3,500. Save this. Move this over. Compile it into the blueprint. And then now let's see. Yeah. So we block that and open this up. Correct. And we block that and open this. We block that. We block this. And open this up. Okay. Perfect. Open. Open. Alright. So we got the 1 lane, 2 lane, 3 lane, 4, 5, 6, and those are the 6 lanes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are all open. All right. Okay, so now that we got those fixed, we have to shift over. It looks like those are shifted nicely. So I need to shift something else. I think, let me see, I think it's these ones down here. Oh, that one's shifted. Yeah, that one's shifted. That one is shifted, and that one, oh. Okay, they're all nice. They're all nice. They're all good. 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 Oh, this one is, something is wrong. Something, what? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. This needs to be shifted over. How come I didn't do this one? Oh, because I didn't run into the procedurally generated room that showed me that it was off. Okay, okay. Back to 9.5. I need to block 2,000, unblock 1,500. That's not right. 2,500. So 2,500 needs to change to 2,000. All right. Okay. Let me make sure. Compiling that in. Alright, so we unblock this one, and we block this one. That's correct. Because now we're going to shift the walls over to here, and the floors and the ceilings over to here, to the right. And so, what do we look for? We look for negatives. We're actually in the correct place. Hey. So I don't actually I don't know which one it is. I'm thinking is, okay, it's the walls, yes. Let me just do this then. See. Wait, what? Walls. Oh, it's not at 9,500. That's why the highest was 9,000. So it starts at 8,000, ends at 9,000. Okay, so okay, there we go. Now we are at so it's one of these down here. I'm assuming it's this one, and it needs to move to 1,000, and this 2,500. Let's see. If we compile, we should see one of those move over to the right. Okay, there we go. I moved this one wrong. I moved it to the left. It should move over here to the right to block this. Alright, so 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So instead of 1,500, it becomes 20, not 10. Okay, let me save that. And so let me change the 8500. So this becomes 2500. This becomes 2000. Save it. And now this becomes 2000. This becomes 2500. Okay. Now I do the floors. The floors are at, let's start with 8000. Okay, there's nothing, so that means it starts at 8500. And we know it's the 4, 5, 6. It's this one. So this one needs to move over to 2500. Okay, let's save that. Let's compile these in first to see if I got the walls correct and that one floor. And then I can do the rest of the floors. Yeah, I got the one floor correct, and then all the walls correct. This one is unblocked while this is blocked. So now I need to move these 2 floors over and I will be done. This needs to move out of the way. Okay, and alright, so I need to move these 2 floors over and that's it, because the ceilings will follow. So that was the 20 turns into 2500. So we move up. 20 becomes 2500. And then 20 becomes 2500. I save that. And we need to compile the changes into the blueprint. Save it, and we shall see. Yes. Perfect. The walls, the floors, all of them in the right place. And this is blocked off. Cool. Alright. Now that's it for that. Anything more? That's it. Okay, I don't need this anymore. We can go ahead and rebuild everything. Okay. Then we can just test. Right. So that's nice. Make sure this one is blocked off. Correct. This one is open. Correct. Okay. This one should be blocked off. Correct. This one should be open. Correct. This one should be blocked off. Correct. This one should be open. Correct. This one should be blocked off. Dang it. Oh my gosh. This one should be blocked. This one should be open. Correct. This one should be open, and that means the other one on this side should be blocked off, but it's not. Dang it. Anybody know what that number is? I just deleted it too. Oh my gosh. Let me see. If I stop, will it keep me in the same place? Yes. So, let me bring back that darn... let me get the wall again. At negative 75. 575. Let me see, is it negative 9500? I need this negative 90. Negative 300. Okay, that's what needs to be blocked off. Not negative 3,500, but negative 3,000. Alright, so which one? This is the mess hall. This is the mess hall. So it's the mess hall in the mid-section. Mid-section mess hall. So mid-section mess hall. So mid-section mess hall. I really should put comments around this so I know which one is which. Midsection mess hall on the port side. Oh my gosh. Is that correct? Yes. So it should be 3000. Okay, there we go. Alright, anything more? Okay. It was compiled in. Save. Let's go ahead and move this to the side. I won't delete it yet, just in case I need to fix other walls. If this was blocked off, this one left open. Correct. Correct. If this is open, that means this one is blocked off here. Okay, this is open. It means this one is blocked. Ah. Darn it. Are you serious right now? This one needs to be blocked. Oh my goodness. What is it? Negative 500 needs to be blocked. If this one is open, negative 500 needs to be blocked. Again, it's the mess hall in this midsection. It's in the middle region, in the midsection. Oh my gosh, this is so confusing. I really need to put comments. So anything that says negative 9,500 on the X with negative 90 for a wall. Alright. For a wall. Oh my gosh, I closed the wall. I'll leave these for a bit. Oh, I gotta reopen the wall. Okay. What am I looking for? Negative 9,590. Negative 9,500. Anything that says 90 and... So I'm guessing it's this one. Tell you the truth, I don't know. Oh my gosh. No, these are correct. Let me move this aside. Yeah. So what I need to change is the actual logic in. So it's okay. Oh my gosh. So it's the middle section. So it's in this section, and it's in this section, and it's in this mess hall. So 9,500. So instead of negative 1,000, this should be negative 500. Correct or incorrect? I don't remember. Yes, negative 500 needs to be blocked if this one is to be open. Yeah. Okay. All right. So save that. Compile the changes into and save and test. This is the kitchen, right? This is the mess hall. This is the rec room. It goes into the kitchen. Kitchen ends up here. That means this one needs to be closed off, which it is. This is a rec room. It's another. What is this? Oh, it's a mess hall. Where am I going? Okay, this is correct. So this is the mess hall. Means this is blocked off. Okay. It means this one should be open if that one is blocked off. Okay, again, another rec room. Means this should be blocked off. Yes. If anything, this whole thing should be blocked off right here. Yeah, I might have to do that instead. I don't want to like run into a dead end like that. But, I guess it's fine. Alright, there's that. And that, you know what? That's good. Alright. I'm sure there's other bugs, but I think most of it, I got it. Let me test one more time. Start over here. If this one is blocked, that means this one is open. If this is open, this should be blocked. Yep. And if this is open, this should be blocked. Yep. Here we got, ooh, cosmic card. Wow, that is such an interesting randomness. It goes all the way from the south end all the way down to the north end without any turns or breaks. And it has all three rec rooms. One rec room here, turn here, another rec room here, turn here, and another rec room here for the northern region, and then it goes all the way to the end to the stairs. Also, I want to change this. So I want to add a wall here so that you can access this stairwell from here. So I want to get rid of this wall, and this wall. But this one already doesn't have a wall. Yeah, wait. That wall. Okay, so that wall, and that wall. And no, not those ones. You're going to look into the abyss if you remove that one. Don't want to remove that. Okay. What else? Okay, so this one is blocked. So we can go down here. This is the kitchen. Correct. It moves into the mess hall. If that's the case, this should be blocked off. Alright. It moved there. This is another mess hall. That means this should be blocked off here. Correct. Then it moves into what is this, a mess hall? Which means this should be blocked off here. Correct. And then it moves into this mess hall. And it just goes all the way down to the and it should be blocked off here. Correct. Alright, mess hall, mess hall. Let me check down here. The mess hall comes from here, and that means the room, the wall should be blocked off here. Correct. Alright. Okay. So we got this. This is the mess hall hallway. Alright. Nice. Okay. That's it for now. I'm going to make it more random now, but at the risk of my internet going bad again, I will stop right there. Got at least some of the logic done. The majority of the logic that I want all done. So dun dun dun. All right. Bam. Alright, so I got this compile. And we can save this. And that is pretty much it. I don't need those up. Right, I don't need that. Don't need that. Alright. I am all done for now. So, thank you for stopping by and watching. So, you guys take care. Okay? Bye.